Oh hey, glad you're here. I wanted to show you the new sink that I put in my camper, so let's go check it out. So I originally got this sink for $46 at IKEA. I was planning on putting it in my Sunraider build, but didn't do that. I immediately fell in love with the circular design. I just think it adds a really cool homey kind of feel to the camper. The whole reason I put this new sink in is because I was replacing my old fridge and putting in a new, bigger fridge, and I didn't quite have enough room. So that just sparked the idea of putting this new sink in. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I ripped out the old sink, the old fridge, and kind of moved all the plumbing over and installed this new sink. So hope you enjoy.
Brian, sponsored by Ninkasi, so that's where that came from. I've got this outdoor shower all disconnected. I'm gonna pull that out and put it right here. And then the outdoor shower will be here, which I think is a little bit better spot than having it right here. It's a little bit more accessible if there was like stuff packed in here. Bolt the sink in there, cut this, mount the fridge, put in a new countertop, and we'll be done. It's as easy as that. We're about to make the first cut here. Here goes nothing. Here we go. New sink is gonna be ready to go.
let's see how it fits. Woohoo! Yeah, I'm really liking this. How open it is right here.
All right, before we get too excited, gotta make sure everything's connected down there.
Alright guys, well like I said, I really am loving this sink. Check out this thing I installed right next to it too. This little side table. This was $21 on Amazon and it works great. So anyways, really like that. But overall, just loving the sink, how open it feels around here, the look of it. Of course, we got our little towel here to wash on. I used the same, you'll see I used the same nozzle for the old sink. Got a little soap dispenser. Of course, some fun little dealy bobs to make it look like outside. And I installed this light. Another thing I really liked about this sink is this really cool magnetic dealy bob. I just think it looks really cool. It makes the sink look classy. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a folding door here for trash. I'm going to put a trash bin on this outside container so I can just boop, drop trash like you're on an airplane. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe, comment, like, let me know what you think. I love hearing your feedback and what you think of these videos. Be sure to check out the next video where I install my new fridge and kind of wrap up the kitchen area. And really the only question is, are you down to mob?